Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix when you are trying to open the PDF file on your Windows PC like in Google Chrome or in other dedicated PDF app, and then if you are facing this error fail to load PDF document. Don't worry, in this video I am going to show you why this error happened and several working method to fix PDF file that are not opening on your PC. We will also find out whether the problem is with Google Chrome or in your computer or with the PDF file itself. So let's get started. First, don't change any setting. We need to find out whether the problem is happening. Close your PDF file and open any other PDF file on your computer. So as you can see guys, another PDF file was opening successfully, but one of my PDF file was not opening. Through this method you can easily able to find out the problem is with your original PDF file itself rather than on your app like Chrome or another app. But if multiple PDF files are failing to open on your computer, then continue with the next fix. Sometime a PDF can become incomplete or corrupted during the download process. At that time you need to download your PDF file once again completely. Wait until the file was completely downloaded, and then after downloading and try to open your file. If the new copy opened normally, then the original download was probably incomplete or damaged. In case still the problem is same, now let's try another simple method. Instead of opening PDF file from a website, close everything, go to your download section. Now try to open your PDF file in another app, like right click on it, go to open with, and here you can get the supported app that can open the PDF file. From here you need to select another app. This will also helps you to fix your problem. In case still the problem is same, at the time guys, what you need to do, you need to download the proper PDF file application on your PC. So open any web browser and here you need to search in the Google Adobe PDF download, and here you need to download the Adobe Acrobat Reader for free on your PC. After download, open the PDF file in this application. It will 100% fix your problem. In case the PDF file was opening in another app, only you are facing the problem in particular one application like in Google Chrome, at that time you need to clear the caches of your Google Chrome browser and you need to update your Google Chrome browser as well. Okay, and restart your browser and PC one time, and then it will 100% fix your problem. Or you can try to open the incognito tab and open the PDF file on it. This will also help you to fix your problem. After trying this all method, still the problem is same, the main problem is in your PDF file only. So just right click on your PDF file and open the properties. File size is showing 0. That means guys, there is no files was available on that particular PDF file. The PDF file was completely damaged or corrupted. At that time you can't do anything. You need to download or copy paste your PDF file once again on your computer. So that's how you can troubleshoot and fix the fail to load PDF file document error on your Google Chrome browser or in another application. If this video helped you out to fix the problem, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction and turn on notification for more useful Windows browser and technology tutorials. And I will see you in the next amazing video.